Like this?
Mad Dog 357. Going on, huh?
Yeah, we finna try this. It's some hot sauce. Where it's from?
Hot Ones.
Hot one. It's
TV
called
show Hot Ones.
Mad Dog. Nah. Okay, you can hold it.
How
I'm scared. I'm scared.
else?
Show on. No, you gotta show on. I'm scared.
Please, Daddy, don't do it.
Don't do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you told me don't do it, but
I don't want to buy a chicken.
Nigga don't go crazy. See how much you put on there. That shit look good.
Love it. Love it.
Let me see.
Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it.
How it taste? You got a good taste?
Yeah, got a good taste, man.
But, yeah. That is.
But I got damn heat. That bitch over. It override. No.
Hey.
God.
It's hotter than that. It's hotter than the
Man,
ball.
that bitch way hotter. That bitch way hotter.
That's that Mad Dog 357. Mad Dog 357. It's over 1 million Scoville.
That bitch hit you sooner. Yeah, like the other one. The other one gonna wait to play with you. That bitch gonna hit you. All right, you bit me. Bow right in your face. Man, give me a cup of water. Give me a shot or
Please, bring
something.
him some water.
No, you ain't supposed to put water with the.
Nigga, take you a shot.
Boy, that shit hot for real, huh?
So you think that'll make some good wings?
Fuck no. We gonna put every single wing back. You put that sauce on there, we gonna put all that back. And I like hot food, but that shit too hot.
My dad needs drink.
Yeah, I do.
See, Piggy, and you talking about you want to try it.
No, little mama, you don't know. No, you don't know. No.
But do this. That's how I do. I do.
Shit.
That's what I do. Wait, you still lying?
Down your nose running.
Yeah, yeah, that shit got everything.
Wow.
Sweat, nose running, all that. That bitch still burning. Hey, I ain't fucking with you no more, man. Fuck that. No.
Go to go, Dad.
Yeah, we can. After this, he gave us this hot shit.
And you sure you want to try that, Piggy?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
No.
I swear to God, you don't.
Nope. God don't want you
It's
to
some
die.
on that plate. You heard what
Yeah.
Kai said. God don't want you to die.
Yup, that's what I said. God don't want you to die. God don't want you to die.
Put it on
No.
the spoon? Or just... It's still burning?
It ain't gonna take that much.
It's some on the plate. You just rub it in. Just rub it in, like how you do your makeup.
That's
Taste
on
it.
you. I ain't taking you to the
You
hospital.
still,
Oh,
you still lying?
you gonna see. That
That's it.
It's not that bad.
okay. All right, tough girl. Shit, me a
Are
bit.
you not gonna
Oh no! What you doing? What you doing? Oh, now you. Yeah, now you want to eat ice cream. No, man, that shit.
Whoa!
Man.
So it's killing the bone.
I'd rather eat that before
It's killing the
one you-
bone.
Yeah.
But the bone only 135,000 Scovilles.
I'd rather eat
That
that
ain't
one
part of that.
than
You want this.
the other one.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Uh-uh.
Don't touch me.
Mm.
Hey man, everybody say my chicken wings ain't hot enough.
Shit.
So-
Well, put that on there. If they say it ain't hot enough,
You done taste my chicken wings before.
Daddy.
man, that be perfect. You don't need damn one of them sauces.
Daddy. I want some.
Why y'all blowing y'all nose and shit?
Dad, I want to go. Where'd you go?
Taste that sauce.
No. I'm not gonna taste it. I'm not tasting it.
Hey, no, this one right here, $3.57. Keep that Magnum by your goddamn self. Mm-mm.
It wasn't that bad. 'Cause I had just ate something last time.
Okay.